Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to help you choose the right rivet for your project using a rivet gun. Now, when it comes to rivets, they are made in a lot of different materials. Steel, aluminum, even a fabric, plastic. I'm going to show you some aluminum rivets today. There's a couple of different ways to look at rivets. Not only the diameter, the thickness of the shaft, but also the length of the rivet itself. So depending on how thick the two pieces of material you're joining together, it's important that you look at the thickness of the rivet you're going to use. Now, I have some examples of aluminum rivets here that are an 1/8 inch diameter, but the length itself differs. Now, that length is going to be determined by the two pieces of material, and the easiest way to know which one to choose is when you put the two pieces of material together, the rivet should extend past both of those pieces of material. Then you know you have the right length. After that, you need to drill a corresponding hole for the size of the rivet you're using. This particular one is an 1/8 inch diameter rivet, and I'm going to use the appropriate one to go into the two pieces of material and then use the rivet gun to squeeze it together one more time, and it snaps off the shaft, and you've just riveted two pieces of material together using the correct rivet. Coming up next, my video on how to use a rivet gun.